Well, hello, stamping friends. This is Monica Gibberti with Stamping with Monica, and today I'm here to do a quick video just to let you know what's going on. First of all, there's not going to be a live video for the class, for our weekly class, because we are all demonstrators that register for the Raleigh ONSTAGE, that is our annual convention, are getting ready to prepare. We're getting ready to prepare to go away, and I'm leaving Wednesday morning, so I am frantically working on preparing my swaps, all the little gifts that I will give away. I have 7 ladies from my Happy Bisman Stampers joining me, so it is exciting. But also this weekend there was some family health issues, so I didn't have a lot of time to work on what I had planned, but I did have time to work on a quick class to offer you. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to tell you what I'm going to offer as my on-stage ordering special. So there's not going to be the video. I will show you now the cards, and these are cards that I think they're cute. I'm using bundles that we have used in the past, and there are two bundles that I love, and I hope these cards, you're gonna love these cards, but because I personally love them. They scream spring. So, and we want spring, right? Hi, Elise. Elise is one of the Happy Bisman Stampers joining me in Raleigh. And when I sent a message to everybody, okay, remember, grab this, grab that, they are ready. I am the one scrambling and getting stuff ready because I have a bazillion things on my list. But one of them was to come on and talk to you about my on-stage ordering special. And it is a very special ordering. A very special. Okay, first of all, I'm going to show you the cards, okay? So this is one of the cards that you'll get to make. So I'm using what's the name of it? The Beautiful Butterflies. Now, the stamp set is available. Good. Yeah, probably I won't pack until Wednesday morning as well. But anyways, the stamp set, so this is the bundle. The stamp set is available. We already did a class on it, okay? And so most of you already have this. But if you don't have the bundle, don't fret, because I will do most of the die cutting. And also, if you don't have the bundle here, I will do most of the die cutting, because as you will see, there's very little stamping. And if you don't have the stamp, then you can use whatever stamp you want, okay? So this is the Beautiful Butterflies. But let me show you the cards. So as you can see here, this is die cut from the beautiful, don't remember the name of this designer series paper at the moment. So for this card, I will provide you the die cut of the designer series paper, everything. You just need to stamp hello, and then inside you will stamp whatever sentiment you have. This says happy birthday. So that is one. Then I have this is a kind of a fun fold. Let's see here. I will provide all the die cutting. I will provide the ribbon, but not the embellishments, okay? And this is a fun fold. It's a pocket fold. Here you will stamp whatever you want. The embellishments, you will provide your own embellishments, okay? And inside, you're just gonna stamp whatever you want. 2. Then I have this card right here. Now, don't look at this fold. Your card will be cut in a different way, but you will get the designer series paper punched out, everything die cut. You just need to stamp. This will be embossed, all that, okay? What do I want to say? There might be different patterns in the designer series paper. Not sure, but it could be the same or not. But I think this is stinking cute. And then we have this card where everything will be cut for you. The only thing that is, I will not put any color, because as you can see here, this has color. So this was stamped with the butterfly, okay? It was stamped, so I will just do the embossing. You can apply any color if you want, and I will not do this part because I'm using also the mask from the Linked Together decorative mask. You will receive all the paper, and you just need you can put anything in the background if you want to, or just leave it as is, or emboss it with something that you have. Hello Edie, hello Beverly. So, and then inside, this will be, I think, cut like this. You can stamp. Okay, what is my ordering special? It is very special. So your order of $40 or more, you will receive my monthly tutorial bundle. It's 16 projects. It's a collaboration with 16 demonstrators, very talented. And you will receive the tutorial bundle for free, and 5 handmade cards finished from my stash, from my boxes, plus the envelopes, okay? If your order is of $50 or more, you will receive the 5 cards, the tutorial, and you will receive the pieces to recreate the card class. So 4, okay, 1 of each. And you will receive, I will do a video on how to assemble it. And also, so you will receive a PDF that will have basically the measurements of the pieces and the link, pictures, and the link to a video so you can assemble the cards. I will not do a Facebook Live because I don't have time between now and before I leave, but I will do the video and send it out. Hello Bess, hello Beverly, hello Erin. And so that is that with a $50 order. When you reach $100, you will receive the tutorial, the 5 cards, the card class kit for 4, just the ribbon, no embellishments. Okay, I'm not gonna add, but I will throw in a free surprise celebration product. Okay, celebration has ended at the end of February. I have different items from celebration. It could be this year's celebration, it could be last year, could be, I have boxes. And so your $100 will give you the opportunity to get either one. Hello Cindy and Erin. So you can even get 1. So if you place the order and you reach the $100 threshold, I will contact you and say, would you like 2 items at 50? Because some of them, so I'm adding, remember celebration was $60 this year. So you can either get 1 that was level 2 or 2 as a level 1. So I am extending celebration for just this week, okay? March 10th through the 16th. That's my ordering special for now, for until Sunday. So you will have to place your order, and I will send out an email. It's the usual. I will post the details also at the end of this video. I will post at the top of this video, you know, the link to place the order, and also pictures of these cards, and also what? The link and everything that you can get, okay? I have boxes of free celebration that I'm willing to give away with your $100 order, okay? And that's it. So I will not be going live. I might doing video, as I said, because we're very busy finishing. I have to make 50 swaps, and just now I am finishing designing 1. My husband will die cut like crazy until we go to bed, and so I need to do it because I only have Tuesday to work on them. I still have to figure out what to pack, what to bring, pack the supplies that I need to take for the event, Stampin' Up event. There's a lot to do. And Wednesday morning will come very quickly, and I will be like scrambling. But anyways, so you will get the email, you get the pictures, and you will also get all the details of my on-stage ordering special. Okay, so I just wanted to pop on. Once again, I'm going to show you the cards. This is one. As I said, you will get, yes, the ribbon, no to embellishments. You will get this to recreate this card. All these will be die cut and punched. The only thing that you will have to do is stamp the sentiment and the inside. This is a cute pocket card. Okay, and then no embellishment. Yet again, I will do the ribbon. Yes, and then Beverly, I will get back to you. And then this is the other card. I will do the die cut of the Zion series paper. So I am doing a lot of the work because I appreciate all of your support. Okay, so in this one, I'm not gonna say, okay, do whatever. If you don't have the bundle, what is the beautiful butterflies bundle, you can substitute whichever sentiments that is a happy birthday or a low sentiment that you have that will fit in the labels that will be pre-die cut for you. Okay, so all the work will be done, but nothing will be stamped. Remember that by Stampin' Up rules. Okay, so I will try to come on live, so follow me on this page. I will try to show you whatever I can. There are, limitation of what we can share. We will receive the brand new annual catalog that will be available to customers at the beginning of May. And we also will be able to pre-order a lot of this stuff, but I'm not going to show it to you because you won't be able to order until the beginning of May, unless you are a Happy Discount Shopper / demonstrator. So then we will have a pre-order time frame where we can get everything. But yes, I'll try to come on live when I can and post things. But anyways, that's what I wanted to come on, and thank you for joining me. And I will talk to you next week, and next week we will have a class for you. My friend Judy and I, we will have a class for you to and then we will do the lives as usual. Okay, so I will see you either Monday or Tuesday of next week for the next live class. In the meantime, happy stamping, and thank you for being here. Bye bye.